Heat shrink tubing was invented in the 1960s for the purpose of protecting and repairing wires. It's a plastic or rubber-like tubing that will shrink to a predetermined diameter upon the application of heat. The first step, after the compounds have been selected and mixed together, like a recipe, the tubing is to be extruded. Once the extrusion process is finished, the next step is to subject the tubing to a radiation cross-linking beam to give it the memory in terms of its diameter. Next, the tubing is heated and expanded in the diameter to the specific size, just like blowing up a balloon. When the tubing is expanded, it is rapidly cooled to preserve its larger diameter. Note, as the tubing is further expanded, the wall thickness becomes thinner. Finally, when the heat is reapplied to the tubing in the shrinking process, the tubing shrinks back to its original extruded diameter, giving it a perfect seal. This is called memory. Under the mil spec, there's 18 different types of heat shrink tubing and different classes within, but only a few of these are used in commercial and automotive applications. There's 3 major manufacturers of heat shrink tubing in North America: Tyco, Sumitomo, and 3M. Each of these companies produce their products in various countries around the world, including the United States, Japan, Europe, and Asia. These 3 companies all have basically the same product, with slight differences, such as color, gloss, and feel. Each may qualify to the mil spec, but each manufacturer has its own proprietary compounding. Generally, they all meet the same specifications, such as CSA, UL, and military specifications, and in some cases, specific automotive specs such as GM, Ford, and Chrysler, as well as the other major manufacturers in the automotive world.